in the earlier lecture we have seen the 8th question of the simultaneous linear equation. We will start with the 9th one. Okay, this question is also related to numbers. If 2 is added to each of the numbers, okay, I'll take the two numbers, or the greater number be x and the smaller number be y. Let the greater number be x and the smaller be y. If 2 is added to each, if 2 is added to the numerator and 2 is added to the denominator, the ratio means the fraction, will be 1 upon 2. Okay, so how could I understand that I will write x upon y and y, x plus 2 and y upon 2 in numerator and denominator? Because of this ratio. So 2 will go that side. So 2 into x is 2x, 2 2s are 4, y plus 2 multiplied by 1 is y plus 2. Y will come this side. 2x minus y is equal to 2. 4 will come this side. So we have 2x minus y is equal to minus 2. Equation number 1. Okay. Then second part. If 4 is subtracted from each, the ratio will become 5 upon 11. So if 4 is subtracted from numerator and 4 is subtracted from the denominator, the fraction will be 5 upon 11. Okay, the fraction will be 5 upon 11. 11 will go that side. We have 11x minus 44. 5 multiplied by y minus 4. So we have 11x minus 44 is equal to 5y minus 5 4s are 20. 5 will come this side. 11x minus 5y is equal to minus 20 plus 44. So 11x minus 5y, 44 minus 20 is 24. Equation number 2. So we have 5 over here. Can I bring 5 over here multiplying by 5? So multiplying equation 1 by 5. Okay, multiplying equation 1 by 5. So it is 5 into 2 is 10x. 5 1s is 5y. 5 2s is 10. Again we have the new equation, that is the third one. So we have minus 5 minus 5. So subtracting 2 and 3. So the 2 is 11x minus 5y is equal to 24 and 10x minus 5y is equal to minus 10. So sign will change. This got cancelled. 11x minus 10x is x. 30 plus 10 is 34. Put x is equal to 34 in 1. So 1 is this. 2x minus y is equal to minus 2. So 2 into 34 minus y is equal to minus 2. So we have 68. Minus 2 will come here and become plus 2. Minus y will go there and become plus y. So we have y is equal to 70. Therefore the two numbers are 34 and 70. Okay. Therefore the two numbers are 34 and 70. Okay. Okay, in the next question it is given that difference between the two numbers is 12. We have two numbers, so I will take let the greater number be x and smaller be y. Okay, we have two numbers, that is greater be x and smaller be y. Difference between the number, therefore x minus y is equal to 12. This is equation number 1. Okay, difference between the two numbers is 12. Next, difference between their squares means what? Difference between their squares, squaring both the numbers, is 456. Now we know that a square minus b square can be written as x minus y. It is a square minus b square is a plus b and a minus b is equal to 456. But what is the value of x minus y? It is 12. So 12 multiplied by x plus y is equal to 456 from 1. So 12 will go there and get divided. So x plus y is equal to 456 divided by 12. X plus y is equal to 4 3s are 12 3s are 36. and 9 to 12 it is a 96. This is equation number 2. We can see minus 1, we can see plus 1 with y. So adding 1 and 2. So when we will add 1 and 2, x minus y, 12, equation number 1, and x plus y is equal to 38. This gets cancelled. 2x is equal to 50. So x is equal to 25. Okay. So put x is equal to 25 in 1. So we have x minus y is equal to 12. 25 minus y is equal to 12. 25 minus 12 is equal to y. So it is 13. So y is 13. So we can say the two numbers are 13 and 25. Therefore, the two numbers are 13 and 25, or either 25 and 13 also you can write. Okay. In the 11th question, we have the number which is something related to fraction. Okay. So whenever there is a fraction, we will take numerator and denominator. Let the numerator be x and denominator be y. Okay. Let the numerator be x and the denominator be y. Find a fraction which becomes 1 upon 2. So we have x and y, and the fraction is becoming 1 upon 2 when numerator is increased by 6 and the numerator is increased by 6. So 2 will go there. 2x plus 2 6 are 12 is equal to y. 2x minus y is equal to minus 12. Equation number 1. Okay. And becomes 1 upon 3. When it becomes 1 upon 3? When denominator is increased by 7. Okay. Denominator is increased by 7 means x as it is. Denominator is increased by 7. So it is like this. So 3x is equal to y plus 7. 3x minus y is equal to 7. Equation number 2. So we have minus y, subtracting 1 and 2. So subtracting 1 and 2. What is 1? We have 2x minus y is equal to minus 12, and this was 1, this is 2. 3x minus y is equal to 7. So minus plus minus. So this gets cancelled. 2x minus 3x is 1x. 12 minus 7 is minus 19. Minus minus cancel. We have value of x is equal to 19. So put x is equal to 19 in 1. What is 1? We have 2x minus y is equal to minus 12. 2 into 19 minus y is equal to minus 12. 38 minus y is equal to minus 12. 38 plus 12 is equal to y. Y is equal to 50. Okay. We have the value of y is equal to 50. Therefore, the fraction is x upon y, that is 19 upon 50. Okay. So that was the solution for the 11th one. Okay, for the 12th question, I will read the question for you. A fraction becomes 1 upon 2 when 1 is subtracted from the numerator. Okay, n means numerator and 1 is added to the denominator. So we have numerator and denominator. So I will take let the numerator be x and denominator be y. Okay, so we have the numerator and denominator as a fraction. Fraction becomes 1 upon 2. When it becomes 1 upon 2? When 1 is subtracted from numerator and 1 is added to the denominator. So I subtracted 1 from the numerator and added 1 to the denominator, and it becomes 1 upon 2. So 2 will go there. We have 2x minus 2, y plus 1. 2x minus y is equal to 1 minus 2 will come and become plus 2. 2x minus y is equal to, okay, 2x minus y is equal to 3. This is my first equation. And it becomes 1 upon 3. Fraction will become 1 upon 3. When it will become 1 upon 3? When 6 is subtracted from numerator. When 6 is subtracted from the numerator and 1 from the denominator. 1 from d. D means denominator, n means numerator. So we have 3x minus 3 6 is 18 and y minus 1. So we have 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 plus 18. 3x minus y is equal to 17. Equation number 2. We have minus y minus y. I will subtract it. So subtracting 1 and 2. So we have 2x minus y is equal to 3 and 3x minus y is equal to 17. So minus plus minus. Minus 3x plus 2x is minus 1x plus 3y minus 3y cancel. Minus 17 plus 13 is minus 14. Minus minus cancel. So we have value of x is equal to 14. Put x is equal to 14 in 1. What is 1? 2x minus y is equal to 3. 2 into 14 minus y is equal to 3. 28 minus y is equal to 3. 3 will come this side. 28 minus 3 is equal to y. We have value of y as 25. Okay, so value of x is 14 and value of y is 25. Therefore the fraction is 14 upon 25. Okay, x upon y, that is 14 upon 25. Okay, in the 13th question, denominator of the fraction, again we have a fraction, so we'll take let the numerator be x and denominator be y. Okay, denominator of the fraction is y. So y is, denominator fraction is greater than numerator. So it is greater, the plus sign. So it is x plus 9. Denominator fraction is greater than the numerator by 9. So plus x will come this side. We have minus x plus y is equal to 9. Equation number 1. Okay. If 7 is subtracted from both means what? Numerator as well as denominator. If 7 is subtracted from numerator as well as denominator, the fraction becomes, the fraction becomes 2 upon 3. So 3 will go there. We have 3x minus 7 3s are 21. 2y minus 7 2s are 14. So we have 3x minus 2y is equal to minus 14 plus 21. So we have 3x minus 2y is equal to 7. Equation number 2. So we have 2y. Can I get 2y over here? So multiplying equation 1 by 2. So if I multiplied this equation 1 by 2, so we have minus 2x plus 2y is equal to 18. Equation number 3. So we have minus 2y over here and plus 2y over here. Minus plus, adding 1 and 2 and 3. So adding 2 and 3. Okay, I am solving this sum bit fast. We have already done this in the previous exercise, right? So we have 3x minus 2y is equal to 7. Minus 2x plus 2y is equal to 18. So this gets cancelled. 3x minus 2x is x. 18 plus 7, it is 25. So put x is equal to 25 in the first part. It is minus x plus y is equal to 9. Minus 25 plus 5 is y is equal to 9. Y is equal to 9 plus 25. y is equal to 34. Okay, therefore the fraction is x upon y, that is 25 upon 34. Okay, so that's what the 13th question of your textbook. Okay, from the 14th question onwards, we have a different kind of questions where the numbers or questions are based on 2-digit number. Okay, so we have already seen the digits are unit, tens, hundred, thousand. Place value of unit is the number itself. Place value of tens is multiplied by 10. 100 is multiplied by 100. 1000 is multiplied by 1000. Okay. For example, we have a number 78. So what is the place value of 7? It is 70. What is the place value of 8? It is 8. Then addition is 78. Okay. So let's start. A number consists of 2 digits. We don't know the digit, so we'll let the digit at tens place be x and unit place be y. So we have tens place and unit place, that is x and y. Therefore the number form, or we will call that number formed as original number. A number which is from our assumption is called as original number. Therefore the original number will be, what is the variable at tens place? It is x, so it is 10x plus y. So this will be my original number. Okay, see, what was the first condition given? Difference of the digit is 3. Okay, so can I do x minus y or y minus x? What should I do? X minus y or y minus x? We cannot do it anything right now because we don't know what is the bigger number. See, 10 minus 7 is 3. Okay, because we know that 10 is bigger number, we are writing it at the first place. But from the 2 digits x and y, we don't know which is the bigger digit, so we cannot find their difference. So we will skip the first part of the question, that is a number consists of a 2-digit, difference of the digit is 3. We cannot find the difference, so I will keep this difference as it is. Difference of the digit is 3. Okay, let's start with the second one. 4 times a number is equal to 7 times the number obtained by reversing the digit. What is this reversing the digit? Reversing the digit means y will go at the x place and x will come at the y place. So if I write, if the digits are reversed, therefore the number will be, see, if the digits are reversed, y will come at the tens place and x will come at the unit place. Therefore the number will be 10y plus x. Number will be 10y plus x, exactly opposite to the original one. Okay, what they have said, 4 times the number. 4 times the number. Number means original number. 10x plus y is equal to, 4 times the number is equal to 7 times. 7 times the number obtained after reversing the digit. 7 times the number obtained after reversing the digit. So we will open the bracket. 40x plus 4y, 70y plus 7. So all the numbers will come this side. 40x minus 7y and 70y minus 4y. I will do it this way. So 40 minus, 40 minus 7x and 70y minus 4y. So it is 33x is equal to 66y. 33 will go there. So value of x is equal to 2y. Okay, value of x is equal to 2y. See, value of x is 2y. इसका मतलब क्या कि x is equal to 2 times y. मतलब x का वैल्यू y का डबल है. अगर y 3 है तो x क्या है? 6 है. y 4 है तो x क्या रहेगा? 8. y 2 है तो x क्या रहेगा? 4. x is double of y. It means that x is greater than y. It means that x is greater than y. Okay? So x is greater than y. So I can use the first statement. Difference is 3. X is greater. So x minus y is equal to 3. What is the value of, I will put this as equation number. What is the value of x? Is 2y. So 2y minus y is equal to 3. 2y minus y is equal to 3. They have asked to find a number. So I'll put y is equal to 3 in 1. What is 1? X is equal to 2y. I told you 2 into 3. X is equal to 6. Therefore the number is means original number 10x plus y. 10 into 6 plus y. 60. Y means 3. 60 plus 3, it is 63. Okay, so this was the 14th one where you need to find out the 2-digit number when digits are reversed and all. Okay. Okay, in the 15th one it is identical to the previous one, that is the 14th one. The number consists of 2 digits. Difference of the digit is 5. Again we cannot find a difference because we don't know the unit place is greater than the tens place or tens place is greater than the unit place. Okay, we'll start the sum. As it is a 2-digit number, so we'll take let unit place be x and tens place be y. Okay, so we have unit and tens, suppose x and y. Therefore the original number will be 10y because it is at the tens place plus x. Okay, see, we cannot use this difference between the digit is 5 because we don't know which is greater and which is smaller. So I will keep it as it is. 8 times the number, from this I will start. 8 times the number means the original number, is equal to 3 times the number obtained after reversing the digit. Again I will reverse the digit. If the digits are reversed, so this will change. So 10y plus x will be 10x plus y. I will write one statement. If the digits are reversed, the number will be 10x plus y. Okay, the number will be 10x plus y. So they have said that 8 times the number, that is the original number, is equal to 3 times the number obtained after reversing the digits, that is 10x plus y. So it is 80y, 8x, 30x, 3y. Okay, so I'll take all the terms inside y terms. So we have 80y minus 3y and 30x minus 8x. So that is 77y is equal to 22x. So y is equal to 22x. I'll do one thing. 77 upon 22y is equal to x. I took 22 this side. So we have 11 2s and 11 7s are. So I can say that the value of x is 7 upon 2. Or it can also be written as value of x is 3.5 into y. Okay, 7 upon 2y. तो इसका मतलब क्या है कि value of x is 3.5 times y. Okay, उसको अगर x का वैल्यू निकालने का है तो y को 3.5 बार मल्टीप्लाई करने पड़ेगा. इसका मतलब क्लियर है कि value of x, therefore I can say that value of x is greater than y. Whatever will be the value of y, 3.5 times will be the value of x. Okay, so I can say that I can use, we know that x is greater than y. Now I can say that difference between the digits, therefore x minus y is equal to 5. That is equation number 1. Okay, Also write over here x minus y is equal to 5. This is 1. Okay. This is equation number 2. So what is the value of x? 3.5, or also we can write 7 upon 2y. So in place of x I will write 7 upon 2y minus y is equal to 5 from 1. Okay. How why from 1? Because in place of x I wrote 7 upon 2y. So when I will cross multiply it, 7 minus 2 is 5y upon 2 is equal to 5. Y cancel. We have y is equal to, okay, we have y is equal to 2. So we put y is equal to 2 in 1. Put y is equal to 2 in 1. So we have x is equal to 7 upon 2 into y. Value of x is equal to 7 upon 2 into, what is the value of y? It is 2 cancel. So I can say that value of x is equal to 7. Okay, the value of x is 7. But you are asked to find the original number. Okay, I'll just erase this part. The original number, therefore the number means original number will be 10y plus x, that is 10. What is the value of y? 2, and x 7. So it is 20 plus 7, and the number is 27. Okay, so the number is 27 over here. Okay, in the 16th question, the result of dividing a number, we are going to divide a number of 2 digits by a number with the digits reversed. It means that you are dividing a number 85 by 58. Okay, you are dividing a number by digits reversed, and its answer will be 1 integer 3 upon 4. Okay, so it is a type of question of a 2-digit number. So we take, let the digit at unit place be x and tens be y. Okay, so digit at the unit place be x and tens place be y. Therefore the original number will be 10y plus x. Okay, 10y plus x. And we are also asked to reverse the digit if the digits are reversed. Okay, if the digits are reversed, so this will come here and this will come here, so we will have 10x plus y. Digits are reversed, therefore the number will be 10x plus y. Okay, so if we divide the number 10y plus x with 10x plus y, the number will be 1 integer 3 upon 4. 4 ones are 4, 5, 6, 7 upon 4. So this will go that side. We have 10 into 4 into 10, 40y plus 4x, 70x plus 7y. Okay, so minus 4x minus 70x plus 40 minus 7y is equal to 0. Okay, so 4x minus 70, 40y minus 7y. So we have minus 74x plus 33y is equal to 0. I cannot get anything. 3 1 3 7. So 4 into 40, 4 into x, 4x, 7 into 10, 70, 7 into x, 7x, 40y minus 7y 40y minus 7y will give me 33y, and 4x minus, it is plus 4x. So plus 4x minus 70 is minus 66x. Okay, so dividing by 33, dividing by 33, so 33 upon 66 is minus 2, minus 2x. Or I will do one thing for better understanding. I will send this minus 66 over there. So we have 33y is equal to positive 66. 33 will go and divide 66x upon 33. So y is equal to 2x. Okay, value of y is 2x. One more condition they have given. Sum of the digit is 12. Sum of the digit is 12. Therefore x plus y. Only digits, no nothing to do with the numbers. Okay, only digit. Digit means what? Digit x and digit y. So what is the value of x as it is? What is the value of y? Value of y is equal to 2x from 1. Okay, so we have 3x is equal to 12, x is equal to 12 upon 3, x is equal to 3 4s are 12. So we have x is equal to 12, therefore y is equal to 2x, therefore y is equal to 2 into 4, so y is equal to 8. So x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 8. Therefore what is the original number? Therefore the original number is, what is the original number? 10y plus x. 10 multiplied by 8 plus x is equal to 4. We have 80 plus 4, 84. Okay, therefore the original number is 84. So subscribe to our channel who haven't subscribed yet, and please complete the homework properly. Thank you.